Today we got another email from Harbor Freight. We got pretty much a friends and family sale, 4 days only. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. All right, we got 25% off. Says friends and family, 4 days only, valid through December 12th through December 15th. So it's basically the same coupon that we had a few days back, or yesterday. I believe it was yesterday. Actually, the day before. So yeah, this is all you need. This is the coupon code 15469299. And I do have a couple videos of items you can get with this 25% off coupon. So be sure and check them out. I see if I can link them up above here. Other than that, let's go ahead and get started with the rest of these coupons. You got 8750,000 watt starting gas powered generator, $549. Airless paint sprayer for $164.99. You got the 30-inch 4-drawer tech carts, $149. This is the 4-drawer. Remember, the 5-drawer is the bigger one, so this is a smaller one. 10 feet by 20 feet car canopy, $99.99. Then you got anything with the Predator engine, guys. This is a great tool here. All the generators with Predator, anything with the Predator engine will be a great tool to get. So $369 for that. This 21-gallon air compressor for $229.99. These gloves, I recommend these gloves for you guys. If you guys are mechanics or DIYs, $9.99 for a pack of 50. You got a 600-pound capacity heavy-duty hand truck, $29.99. I just got done unloading some tile, and let me know, guys. This thing just helped my back so much. Not this one specifically, but I have this one and I have another one. I used the other one, but the same thing. But I just had the other one closer to me, easier to get. So I used the other one, and it's just so you could just unload. I unloaded about 3 boxes of tile. I believe 18 by 18. So I put 2 boxes here at the bottom and then 1 box here on the top. And pretty much it was just like so easy on my back just to load them up on here and then just take them to where I was going to put them. But yeah, having the right equipment, a hand truck does help your back. 2 horsepower gas powered earth auger 6-inch bit, $179.99. The 9,000-pound electric winch, $259.99. This is a nice little brick saw, tile saw. This is not really. I guess the professionals can use this, but it does cut. It does work. But if you're a professional, you're gonna be doing this all day, every day. I would definitely recommend you stepping it up to the Diamondback or the Diamond tile saw. You got a 50 feet commercial powered drain cleaner for $299.99, and then you got the 3/4 composite pro extreme impact wrench, $219.99. I definitely recommend all these. Anything with the Daytona or Pittsburgh jacks, I recommend from Harbor Freight. Definitely a great deal for $169.99. 18-inch working platform for $19.99. I do have a 5,000 watt. I do have a few videos on my channel. Check them out. But yeah, so far it's been pretty good. The only thing my 5,000 watt hasn't been able to start is a big compressor. And yeah, it's one of the older compressors. So I do have that video if you guys want to check it out. Like I said, I just put Jupiter tool hood 147 and my video should pop up right there. 3/8 by 50 feet industrial grade rubber air hose, $18.99. These are great. If you need a basic blower, works for you. The only bad thing is they have to drag the extension cord. It's not battery, but it works fine. Bar joints service kit for 2- and 4-wheel drive vehicles, $59.99. These batteries, guys, I don't recommend these batteries. I had a few explode already on my remote controls because I have like what is it, Amazon Fire Stick, And I put those AAA batteries in there because, that's basically what you're going to be using for remote controls and flashlights. But every time I go grab the remote, it doesn't work. And then I check, and then the battery explodes. So I just threw them away, and I'm not going to use these because this is the second time it happened. The first time I was like, oh, okay. It's a one time, maybe it's just defective. But if it happens again, nope, not on my house. 3/8 by 4 feet towing chain, $19.99. This is a really basic drill, guys. If you're a DIY, I would not recommend this. If you're not a DIY, if something just becomes loose and you're just gonna tie it up or drill a really small hole, this is fine. But DIY would not recommend that. Got 50 by 18 or 50 by 14 gauge outdoor extension cord, $15.99. You got 4.5 heavy duty angle grinder, $16.99. So there's mixed reviews on these vices. There's some good reviews and some bad reviews. So I would definitely check it out before you buy. Make sure you read the reviews. This have 4 stars, so I guess it's not a bad deal. You got ultralight, crush-proof, weather-resistant lockable case, $29.99. Definitely recommend these cases. Yeah, Harbor Freight is a good place to go get your lights for the trailer light kit. $29.99. Who doesn't need these? All the time, there's something you gotta tie up a wire, or you gotta something that's broken. You gotta tie it up. These do help a lot. So $149 for cable ties. Definitely recommend this, especially if you have a small shop or if you're a mechanic starting out. Definitely recommend it for a lot cheaper than most other brands. Let's see here. What else? Oh, these clamps. These clamps they're okay. The bigger one, this is the 6-inch. The small one doesn't. I don't really like it. It didn't work. It didn't last a long time. This one, it still works. It's still pretty strong. And the only thing with these is that these plastic parts come off. But just keep that in mind. You can even use them without those plastic parts. But still, just put them back or glue them up and glue them on or something. $2.19. So $2.19 is a great deal for that clamp. So got some ramps here. I haven't used them, but they're metal. They should work. $39.99. And then I heard good things about this actually. 6-inch variable speed dual action polisher, $59.99. Those have 5 stars. Yeah, I heard good things about all the reviews that they did on these, so should be good to go on that. And it says holiday gift guide. Okay, nothing else. So just a short video for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.